surveillance videos, people who saw his face. 4 accomplices arrested and convicted for removing evidence. It's a very, very strong case. We don't prejudge it, but it's very strong.
All right, a couple of things. So,
sure.
you know, you heard, as with Molly reporting, my question to her is, the judge in this case decided not to move it out of Boston.
Yes.
Because technically it was argued, well, everybody is a victim in Boston. But wouldn't that be all over America? I mean, this is terrorism on U.S. soil.
People get confused on a couple of points. Number one, you know, we're standing here right now, national media, so don't tell me, oh, it's just Boston.
Is that why they didn't move it?
That's part of it. And then the other point is people get confused. They say, well, wait a minute. How are you going to find people who haven't seen, read, or heard about this? That's not the test. The test is, can you put it aside and be fair and impartial?
All right.
Obviously.
Let's flip the switch and just talk about what evidence is out there. And, you know, it's so hard to believe because of all the evidentiary things that you just laid out that there could be a case for him. But you know what? Odd things have happened in the court system. That's
brilliant, because I'll tell you what. I was with a lawyer one time in the Southern District. We're having breakfast about our case, and I asked him, what about your case? Oh, it's devastating. It's overwhelming. He's on tape. Guess what? He got an acquittal. So I'm not drawing an analogy necessarily to this case, but the point is litigation is very unpredictable. You never know what could happen. But more importantly, the defense lawyers, and they're very good lawyers. One is a very reputable New England lawyer. Another one's a death penalty expert. The point is they're going to try a good case. Make all the correct objections, make all the correct legal arguments, and try a good, sound case.
Yeah, you've got his writings that police say were inside that boat.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, it's extremely compelling. And again, not to be a broken record, I think that a lot of the trial itself, Harris, is going to be with an eye towards that death penalty point lurking in the rafters. I mean, it's a bifurcated proceeding. It's a second trial or hearing on the death penalty. But they're definitely going to try it, by the way, to show the following. Youth, co-option in terms of his brother, who was more involved.
Maybe he was pulled into.
Those are the kind of themes they're going to try.
So, Doug, I want to let everybody know we've got this breaking news situation that's pending because we know the police commissioner here in New York City and the mayor are due to get together to make some kind of public announcement. You're going to stand by and be with us when news breaks because you've got relationships with the police department, having been a former federal prosecutor here in the state. Thank you.